Today we're going to talk about cybersecurity in a kind of different way. Most IT nerds, such as myself, will talk to you about cybersecurity and why you need firewalls and software and policies and all this kind of stuff. And Lord knows I've got a lot of these videos and writing and all that that does the same thing. But what we don't talk about a lot is actual physical security. So who is walking into your building? Who is trying to get into your network? And one of the things that we love to do is sneak in on smoke breaks to big plants that we're trying to breach for the client to test defenses so that we can get in, we can create our own security badges, we can walk through, or we start friending receptionists and secretaries and assistants and all that, even in our initial and preliminary meetings, so that we can walk in and they see us as a safe person, even though we don't necessarily have a contract with this company, but they see us walking in with executives that they know. So it's very important to have and maintain that physical security in your network. And it's very important to train your people to identify that, not to hold doors open for people, or just because you're friendly with somebody or you see them with the CEO or the executive VP or the CIO or whatever they're talking to, that doesn't necessarily mean they're working with you. And that doesn't necessarily mean they're there for good reasons. And so it's very important to maintain that level of vigilance, and all it takes is a little education and a little knowledge and just keeping your eyes open. Oh, and a quick addendum to this tip as well. I know a lot of companies have policies, they have procedures, they have these things in place, and they're all safeguarded, but the problem is they get lax. And so we have clients that have these policies and procedures, and then we just walk in and they don't check us in or they don't do anything. And what if actually the technician that's going there I fired the day before and now they're coming in to do something? So you never know. And the point is, you should also, even though you have all these policies, maintain the vigilance, refresh, have company meetings. If you have weekly meetings or daily meetings, reiterate this. It's very, very important that we maintain this, because it's loss of reputation, it's loss of money, it's loss of intellectual property. It's all of these things rolled into one just to let somebody in the door that shouldn't be.